Hey guys, welcome to the farm. I am sitting here editing this video and realize I didn't even do an intro. So hello, this is my intro. I'm getting ready to plug this in and get this uploaded for you guys because I'm so excited to share this soap making video. I love doing Galaxy soap, but this is the first time I've done actual planets. So I made the planets from soap dough and put them in this soap, and you get to see that. So enjoy. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share if this is something you want to continue seeing as I share all things life here on the farm, guys. Thanks so much. All right, a little different setup. I am trying it from the side because a lot of times when I have the camera right here, it just gets in my way. And yeah, so we'll try this. Let me know how this view looks. Okay, so in this pot, I have all of my oils and butters. They've been melted down. I have my kale and clay, and I did add some colloidal oats to this, as well as aloe vera juice and my essential oils of tea tree and lemon eucalyptus are added in here. So excited about that. Let's talk about the colors in this Galaxy Far Out soap. So in this pot, I have some blue clay and some indigo powder. So in this, and so this one I have, I may try to make a teal color, and I think I'm doing good as in the color right now, but who knows what's going to happen in the soap. This is green clay, blue clay, and a little bit of indigo powder. So all these are kind of a mix between indigo powder and blue clay, and this one is just indigo powder and blue clay. I'm trying to play, I don't know if you can really see all three of those different colors. This one is the darkest, this is kind of a bright medium, and then this is the teal. So I'm gonna try to do like a whimsical galaxy in the soap. I'm gonna see how this plays. The essential oils should not speed this up. Here are my stars, which I will be adding to my base of my black soap. And here are my planets. I got my charcoal to my side here. This is the soap mold we will be using. This is a, which I'm gonna wipe out because I got some oils in it. This is a 9-pound, I wonder if I can give some space here. My goodness, it's up really close and personal. There we go. So I'm actually gonna wipe this out. Must have gotten some oils splashing from me mixing. So I'm just gonna make sure it's good and clean. And this is a 10-pound loaf, but I only fill it 9 pounds. Well, it's a little over 9 pounds that I fill it. And I'm not quite sure. I'm thinking about doing a layer of black with the stars and then putting in some planets, and hopefully it'll thicken up. I could divide this into 3, dividing my oils and butters and everything, but I've already added my additives, so I'm not quite sure of the weight. So we're just gonna add the lye solution, which is just the water. I did 50-50 lye and added the rest in aloe vera juice. All right, and then yeah, so we'll see how it plays. If something happens and it just starts, for some reason, thickening up way too fast on me, I'm gonna do a quick in the pot swirl, throw it in, and start throwing in planets. And that's my game plan if this does not work out. If I can't do like layer by layer effectively, that's what I'm gonna do. So I have my line here, and I'm going to check my temp on this and make sure it's mixed. I'm at 91. I am okay with that. I do soap at all different kinds of temperatures. I just want to make sure I'm not soaping too hot, that I don't want to burn off my essential oils. But 91 is great. I'm just out of curiosity. Let's see what my oils are. 81. We're good. So I don't use titanium dioxide. I don't use the, I had let soap in my package. I did yellow and white, but I let this sit in the sun, the actual whole bar of soap, wrapped in the biodegradable shrink wrap, and just let it sit like in a window in the sun, and it whitens it naturally, so I can use it for stars. And let's see what goes on. We're just gonna kind of mix a little bit and see what's happening. Now I will pour off my colors, and then I will use the rest of this as my black with the stars. All right, so here we go. It's going to start. Oh, I didn't realize it was that. Okay, I'm not gonna talk much because I have the hiccups. So we're gonna cut the soap. I was a little worried about it, and I'm still thinking it's gonna be a little soft inside, but the top turned out really whimsical. I thought about back and forth about steaming it, but I think I'm just gonna leave it as is. And, you know, it kind of looks like rock, stone almost. So I'll leave it. I don't know what the planets did inside, because when I poured the second layer, the last layer really, the only other layer there was a lot of movement. So this will be interesting to see. Ooh. Oh yeah. All right, so okay, so the sides are good. My soap did get a little cold last night in here, so I had to move it in to the house, the main part of the house, and covered it. It did warm back up, so we'll see. I'm okay with glycerin rivers. If there are glycerin rivers, I'm fine with that because of it being a Galaxy soap, and I did use more water in my clays for the colors. So let's see what we got here. This is kind of nervous wracking. I don't know if I'm gonna see planets when I first, hold on. Oh, it is. All right, so that one is really soft. Okay, so this is the side. That's kind of cool. This is really soft. This one right here, and so I'm like, oh gosh, I hope I didn't do too much water ratio to the that's kind of cool. Look at that. Okay, so, and I hope I'm cutting this. Yeah, I guess I couldn't cut it the other way anyway. All right, so it is whimsical looking. I'm excited to see what the bars look like. Okay, so this one's got quite a bit of stuff that didn't swirl. Here's another one. I will come back and clean that off, especially a charcoal soap. So I waited the full 24 hours to cut this because I knew I added more water. So we'll see if we can find any glycerin rivers in the soap, and that just is where there's just a lot of water, and it kind of, when it's saponifying, it kind of disperses throughout and creates those rivers. And I think these bars are going to be too tall for my boxes, but that's okay. Okay, I like that. That's kind of cool. Oh, there's a hiccup. There's the sides. So yeah, how fun. All right, especially once I start cleaning up the edges, and I wonder if I have any. See, there are some that don't have a planet, but that's okay. They do have a planet on the back. So that's fine. Ooh, I like that one. That is really cool. So how fun is that? I'm hoping that the pink, I get these hiccups, that the pink clay, it's a calamine powder, that I hope that really starts to release some of that water. There's one. That kind of looks like there's rings around the galaxy on that one. Oh, how fun. All in all, each one is going to have a really interesting design or interesting galaxy look. I do like the swirls, but the one blue I think was too close to my black. And the other thing is I do like the black. I think I did good on the color. It's cool. Can't wait to clean these up and take some pictures. See, on the back there's not many. What is it? Oh yeah, there are a couple planets, the smaller ones. So I need to be, ooh, this is the ones I'm gonna take a picture of. Look at this one. I'm gonna put them together so you can see. How cool is that? That is really neat. Fun, fun. Ooh, it's just got one yellow one on the bottom and then some on the back. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait a minute. What would I just do with the one that's like lined up? This one. I'm going to take a picture of that one. That's for sure. Definitely. So, I mean, all in all, they do have, so far they all have planets. Some are on the side, but I really think it did a good galaxy. Oops, that's upside down. I have to pick the ones I want to take pictures of. That's kind of cool, this one. Oops, it's like this. All right, last loaf. This definitely has more water than my typical bar. That's for sure. Okay, so here's another one of those. Look at that. Oop, it's kind of smearing a little bit, but there's no planet on that side, but there's a few on this side. Really, these are gonna have to cure longer than my other bars. Yeah, these are gonna have to cure longer. Typically 3 weeks is great for my bars, but this has more water in it. Ooh, I like the stars and everything in this one. It's really cool. Yeah. Well, this is that pink one. The pink one is the one I'm worried about, but I think it'll definitely cure out. All right, and it smells so good. So it's peppermint and what did I do? No, tea tree and lemon eucalyptus. This is one of the end pieces that I'll cut another time for a sample. And that's kind of cool. It looks like an asteroid at the top. And the last bar. How fun. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for all things life on the farm, including some more soap making videos coming up. Got these hiccups. And be sure to check out our shorts of all the animals here on the farm. Bye.